When it comes to investing, there are no guarantees. There's always going to be a level of risk associated with investing your money. Sometimes that risk can be really great, and sometimes not so much. The one thing that you do want to pay attention to is the expenses that comes along with investing with different brokerage companies. So in this video, we are checking out the top 5 free investing platforms in 2023. Hey guys, it's Justine with The College Investor, Investing and Personal Finance for Millennials. Now, I've said this in a previous video, but I really feel like investing in general has just become so much more accessible for the general public. No longer is it something that only the uber rich get to do and get to understand. There are platforms and apps and companies out there who are committed to investing education for the general population, just like you and me. And we can do it very easily from our phones and our computers. So let's check out the top 5 free investing apps for this year. Number 5 is Public. Now, they've really focused on education and utilizing influencers to help build up their popularity. Public is a truly free investing platform for you to invest your money. Also, they have a variety of things for you to invest in, not only stocks and ETFs, but also fine art and different collectibles, crypto. I think that's really fantastic that you can invest in a variety of assets in all in one platform. Now, they do offer taxable brokerage accounts for you to invest in, but you're going to have 0 minimums to open and $0 commissions, which makes this a really great entry point for those just getting started with investing. Number 4 is Webull. If you like data and analytics and you really want to plug into how stocks are currently trading, what the past history was, all those little charts and analysis, then you definitely want to check out Webull. Webull to me is like the souped up version of Robinhood. So it gets into all of those charts and analysis, and if you're into that, this is the platform for you. Right now they have a promotion. If you sign up using our link below, you can get 2 free shares of stock using Webull. There are $0 commissions, no monthly fees on Webull, which makes this a really great platform for those who would consider themselves investing nerds and like to use that data to make informed decisions. Number 3 is Robinhood. With their clean interface and easy to use app, Robinhood makes number 3 in this list. Robinhood allows for options, fractional shares, and crypto investing. They have really rolled out a variety of features, including an IRA matching feature inside of Robinhood, which makes this an all-around easy to use platform. Now, I know they've had some media negativity going on in the past. However, if you kind of take away that isolated incident, if you look at the app for what it truly is, I just think it has a very clean, easy to use interface that makes trading, buying and selling stocks very easy. I've used Robinhood for years and I continue to go back to it as kind of an experiment platform to see, okay, if I was to buy a single stock, how does that single stock perform over time? Now, right now they are running a promotion. If you sign up using our link below, you can get 1 free share of stock using Robinhood. Number 2 is the largest administrator of 401k plans, but also has a really great, easy to use and free app, and that is with Fidelity. Fidelity offers a range of commission-free ETFs, $0 commission stocks, makes it really easy to hop onto their app or on their platform online and get investing with Fidelity. Now, they also, similar to Robinhood, have fractional investing available to you, and it's not just share-based. You can also do this dollar-based. So if you just wanted to buy $5 worth of Coca-Cola, you can easily do that inside of Fidelity, which I think makes this really easy, especially for like the middle class, to jump in and start trading and investing your money very quickly and easily with a company like Fidelity. Now, not only do they offer the 401k plans, but they also offer a variety of investing accounts for you to choose from. Not only do they have the standard taxable brokerage account, but you can also open up an IRA. You can open up a health savings account with Fidelity. So this makes it an all-around really great investing platform, especially because they have offered these $0 commission stocks and ETFs for you to trade and invest in. And another really cool feature about Fidelity that you definitely want to check out is that they are now offering, they have 2 funds that have 0% expense ratios. Now, an expense ratio is the dollar amount that it costs to maintain these funds. Think about administrative costs, marketing costs for these particular funds. 0%, which is really unheard of. So if you're going to go with Fidelity, you definitely want to check out this feature. And the #1 investing app for the long term is with M1 Finance. M1 Finance offers a truly free investing platform for you to jump in and get started investing your dollars. So what's really great about M1 Finance is that you can set up a portfolio and you get to hand select your different ETFs. So instead of worrying about getting hit with commissions for every single ETF with another platform, you do everything in one portfolio for free with M1 Finance. And if you're unsure of what ETFs or different types of assets to include in that portfolio, M1 Finance has pre-select portfolios based on your investing goals already put together and done for you, which makes it really easy. You can either customize, it's kind of like choose your own adventure, choose your own investing adventure. So you can either use a pre-selected portfolio strategy or build your own, which makes M1 Finance really customizable for your needs. And right now they have a great promo offer. If you transfer over an existing account, you can get up to $10,000. $10,000, that's a lot of money. $10,000 in with M1 Finance. Now, if you want to open up an account and deposit new money, and by the end of this year, you can get up to $500. Or simply just get $10 in free money if you open a new account and fund it within 30 days. Now, there is a minimum of $100 to open, but if you are serious about investing, I think $100 is a great way to get started. We will leave a link below for you to sign up with M1 Finance. Okay, let's not forget to mention some of the runners up, because there were a variety of platforms that didn't make the top 5 spots but are still worth mentioning, and that is with Vanguard. Vanguard's app is pretty clunky to use right now. I feel like they're still kind of in the building phases of making their app a bit more robust and easier to use, but regardless, the company itself is amazing. I mean, they are the kings of low-cost index funds, and so if you're wanting to invest for the long term, especially for index funds that have very little cost involved, Vanguard is definitely a way to go. Next, we have JP Morgan's self-directed investing, which includes truly commission-free investing. So that's another great one to check out. Also, Ally Invest has really taken a spot, and we're definitely keeping an eye on them as they have really grown this side of their business alongside their banking business. And you can get up to $3,000 if you move your assets over to Ally Invest. Charles Schwab, Moomoo, and E-Trade have also made that runners-up list, along with Acorns and Stash that are also available to you. Acorns and Stash is not free. They do charge a monthly fee, but still really easy to use apps alongside. And what I always like to say is try an investing platform, see how you go with it for a few months, and then if something's not working or you're just finding it really hard to actually do basic investing things, make the switch. Try something out on our list that works best for you and keep plugging and playing with your investing apps. I feel like this is one area that you definitely want to be 100% on, and if something doesn't feel right with the platform, make the switch. There are tons of free investing apps for you to check out. Which one are you going with out of our list? Make a comment below, let us know. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one.